Hey guys, you remember a while ago on Facebook Live, we had partnered with SmileDirect and we actually did our impressions live with you on Facebook Live.
How could I forget?
Well, we did our impressions, we sent our pictures, we had everything we needed, we put it back in the box, and we had a prepaid mailer, and we sent them back, and all of our impressions were looked over by a registered dentist or orthodontist.
And if you are like hard to keep track of things or like memory or booking appointments, they're very good at following up with you. So if you start the process and then you kind of drop off because life gets busy.
Oh, they'll find you.
They will find you, and it's been an amazing process because they're so helpful and customer service is always there for you.
So we got our impressions back, okay? Everything was in one box. It wasn't like you had to keep sending back for each.
We would fail that.
So I got my impressions. They are super easy. I'm gonna click them in a second, but first I wanna tell you that it's a very gentle move of the teeth. It's safe, it's clean, it's effective, and it honestly has given me such confidence in my smile. It's also a really amazing option for your teens who are like, I want straight teeth, or I wanna widen my smile like I wanted to do, but I don't wanna have the tracks on my teeth. You'll see when I put this in, you literally cannot see it.
Everything's virtual, or you can also pop into a Smile Shop. Like, it's really up to you which way you want to go with it. So you can consult over the phone, or you can pop into a Smile Shop. Depends on where your comfort level is.
For us, it was so convenient because we didn't even need to leave the house.
Yeah, that's where we're at right now with all of these children. Also, want to let you guys know they do have the whitest of white, Bright On Premium Teeth Whitening Kit that gives you 5 kits. You do it in 5 minutes. It's 3 times faster to use than any
5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes at night.
Helps remove years of tough stains. This is the coolest thing. You ready? Let's plug it in. Comes with all the, ooh!
This is premium teeth whitening right here. Look at this, 5 minutes. Amazing. So what an amazing additional thing that SmileDirect has. Guys, you've got to try it out. It's literally one of the easiest services we've ever tried. And I'm loving it, and I'm loving my teeth, and I'm confident in my smile. With code Cat and Nat, you get $100 off of your aligners at SmileDirect.